I am here to know to give a speech about co-education. My name is Namneet Kumar. I am a student of class 9th. So firstly, the question arises that what is co-education? Co-education, co-education basically is a system of education where both boys and girls come and study togetherly under the same roof and in the same classroom. It has many defects and many positive sides also. As a coin has two sides. Firstly, let's talk about its history. It is ratherly discussed that Britishers came to India and bring co-education to our field and to our domain. But in ancient India, it is clearly visible that we were actually studying together. But when Britishers came, they established their own sanctuaries and their own education system. As the time flies, when India got its education after 1947, the co-education again came into the domain of people, where people knew about co-education and its side effects and its effects. Firstly, let's talk about the positive effects of co-education. The major co-education's positive effect is that many people have introvert quality, or they don't have speaking quality, and they can't communicate to other gender or the opposite sex or gender. So co-education's major motto is that to develop confidence among people and to build a teamwork and confidence to people to communicate and to participate in every field. Co-education also pushes a boy or girl to make them more realization of teamwork, and people also have different opinions about this co-education system. But my opinion is that to make a healthy and to make a healthy brain or a healthy child is to develop their teamwork. Let's take an example. If separating education or a school where only boys or girls, it means that only boys or only girls. If a schooling system is that like only boys or only girls, then they can't communicate to other gender. I also have that problem. But if a co-education child is have to give a speech or another any program, they would clearly give their speech or any information about any topic. It also helps them to ask any questions, or we can say that if a girl don't know the answer to any question, then the boy would help, or when a boy would not know the answer, then the girl would help. And it has many different opinions. Let's talk about the negative facts. The major negative impact of co-education is that children at less age or at below 18 years or minority come into relationship. That's the major problem. It has also a major distraction among people. They distract from their studies, and they made their own decisions on their accountable decisions. But it is not a good point to be noted. But as we know that co-education also develops confidence. But we can say that co-education is neither a good thing nor a bad thing. But it has only it's only upon you. How would you take it, or how would you take the advantage of it or disadvantage of it? At the end, I would like to say that your decision is it's up to you how you take it, or how you use that resource of co-education. Thank you.